Hi, we are MED Innovation and Design Center. Designed this smart street light monitoring system, which works on the principle of receiving and sending the messages in the faulty street lights. For example, we have street lights on every road of India nowadays, but sometimes it gets faulty due to various reasons, which are circuit breakage, current leakage, or even a light may get flickered due to problems in the supply line. So our system detects this problem and sends to our control panel, which gets the pole ID of the number and its location where it is getting faulty. So the person who is responsible for just like solving it or making it right, he comes and solves it. Let me explain. For example, every street light is connected through RF transceiver and getting its values of currents and voltage through voltage and current sensors. This message is transferred from RF transceiver to the control panel, which we have designed ourselves, all the circuits, and also the back end of this. The person who's in the authority will get the messages of the status of every street light that is to be connected. For example, we are currently receiving the message of first signal, first pole, that is on status with all the current sensor readings or the current values it is receiving. For example, if this pole gets a problem, just like it is not working because its circuit is broken. So if the circuit is broken, it will give here a message of 00, means our circuit is off. In that condition, we will transfer this message to a technician who will come and repair it. He will, while sending the message, we will send him the location of the pole and the problem by which the pole is wrong. Also, this is the system. With this, we are also giving a special solution to a problem of electroduction, in which a pole may get current in it, and that may cause electroduction, and a person or any animal may get harmed. So for this, if with our system of relay module, we can automatically cut off the light to the pole, and it will reduce the fear of electroduction by means of automatically cutting off the light. We can also control on and off light from here on the system, and it is the solution for the which solves about 800 crores, saves about 800 crores of India. Thank you.